DNA is the blueprint of life, and its structure is fascinating. At the core, DNA is made up of two strands twisted into a shape called a double helix. Imagine a twisted ladder, where the sides are sugar and phosphate molecules, and the rungs are pairs of nitrogen bases. These two strands run in opposite directions. One is called the leading strand, which is copied smoothly during DNA replication. The other is a lagging strand, which is copied in small segments, making the process a bit more complex. This double helix structure allows DNA to store genetic information efficiently and replicate accurately. Understanding this helps us grasp how traits are passed down and how life functions at molecular level. Want to dive deeper into DNA and genetics? Follow for more quick science explainers.